I'm always excited for the holidays when we start talking about bakeware and serveware, and I always want to just make some Christmas candy or some cookies and get with the little ones in the kitchen. We have a lot of new dinnerware and serveware here for you at Melrose, some exclusive patterns that are available, but just some fun things. And one of the first things that I saw and just knew I had to get was this stacker set of ceramics here with this beautiful little topper here with the Santa hat. These are all three ceramic. They all stack beautifully. This is another stacker that we have in all white for the Christmas tree. I can just imagine making homemade old-fashioned Christmas candy and filling that gorgeous little thing up and having my grandkids come in and eat it all. It'll just be wonderful. We've got a serving platter with our snowman that's available. We have some cute little candy cane plates, some canisters that have really nice seal tight. Did you hear that? Seal tight for all of your goodies that you want to have. A nice little salt box with a little wooden top. I can't help it. When I saw this, I immediately went away and I just had to start playing with the little salt box. I bet your customers do the exact same thing. But just some cute patterns, and I just love this modern and contemporary multiple colored stick tree, Christmas tree pattern that they've come up with here at Melrose that is just super cute and ready for the holiday season. Your success is our priority at Melrose, and part of that success comes from having an incredible market experience. Whether you're going to visit us in our Dallas showroom, Atlanta, or Las Vegas, go ahead and reach out to us at the link below to set your appointment for market. It's going to allow you to meet with other professionals in the industry, find out about the trends that are emerging, and really help make great product selections for 2024. The link's available for you, even if you don't have your Melrose sales rep now. We'll go ahead and set a time for you that's going to be perfect for your showroom experience.